In the frozen deserts of Pakistan's highlands, where even wolves hesitate to wander, lives a cat that looks like it stepped out of another time. Short, round, furious-looking, and perfectly built for invisibility. This is the Pallas Cat. Unlike any other feline on Earth, the Pallas Cat doesn't run. It freezes, becoming a living stone. Its round body and flat face break up its outline, tricking predators and prey alike. This cat's fur is so thick it makes a snow leopard look naked. It has the densest coat of any wild cat, twice the thickness of a lynx, evolved for sub-zero nights on treeless plateaus. But don't let the fluff fool you. Beneath that round face lives one of nature's best ambush predators, patient, silent, and utterly ruthless. And here's the catch: it can't chase. It's too slow. So it uses gravity, camouflage, and timing to trap its prey with surgical precision. Biologists call it the ghost of the steppe. Locals barely know it exists. Even camera traps often mistake it for a rock until it blinks. Its face, wide, flattened, with low-set ears, isn't cute by accident. It's built that way to stay hidden in short grass and snow. The Pallas Cat doesn't meow. It growls, yowls, and even screams like a human if cornered. Researchers say it sounds like a mix of rage and thunder. And here's a weird twist. It's not a good climber or runner. It survives purely through strategy, patience, and deception. Its prey? Tiny animals that rule this land, pikas and voles. The Manul waits hours motionless for a single heartbeat of movement. Then strike. It's small, yes, but it's fierce enough to scare off foxes twice its size. Scientists once recorded one chasing a red fox away from its den. And while it lives in Pakistan, China, and Mongolia, it acts more like a creature from another planet. Its pupils are round, not vertical like other cats, giving it a constant angry human stare. Scientists say this helps it see evenly in flat landscapes. Pallas cats are solitary. They avoid others of their kind except during breeding. Each one rules a silent empire of rocks and wind. Their mating season lasts only a few weeks, and kittens are born blind and helpless, hidden in burrows the mother steals from marmots. But make no mistake, they are born into danger. Every sound, every scent could mean death in this frozen wilderness. Here's the twist that stunned scientists. Despite living in extreme cold, they can't handle heat. Just 25 degrees Celsius can kill them. That's why climate change is their silent killer. As snowlines retreat, their world shrinks, replaced by grasslands, too warm for ghosts like these. The Pallas cat's DNA traces back to early feline ancestors, making it one of the oldest living cat species on Earth. Every part of it, from its dense fur to its squat body, tells a story of survival, of a creature built not to conquer, but to endure. Even its whiskers have a secret. They sense vibrations through ice, detecting burrows hidden under the snow. And when it hunts, time itself seems to pause. The world holds its breath, until the cat moves. Despite its appearance, this is no pet. It's fiercely territorial and will attack if cornered. Zookeepers call it the angriest cat alive. In Pakistan's remote plateaus, shepherds whisper that seeing one brings both good fortune and storms. Its name echoes in folklore, the snow cat of the stones. Scientists still struggle to study them. They vanish before drones or researchers can even focus the lens. True wilderness, pure and untamed. If humans disappeared tomorrow, this cat would remain, silent, proud, watching the cold reclaim the world. Some scientists say the Pallas cat is evolution's pause button, a glimpse into what wildness once was, and still could be. Every look from its eyes feels ancient, not curiosity, but judgment. As if it knows what we've done to the world, it still guards. It doesn't roar. It doesn't purr. It just exists, perfectly balanced between life and extinction. The Pallas Cat, the forgotten ghost of the mountains. Proof that even in silence, nature still tells the most powerful stories.